Hello, my people. Welcome to my channel. I am YJ. YJ is a Gambian, and Gambia is in West Africa. Well, our today's blog is going to be based on introducing you to how to use Microsoft Word. And what is Microsoft Word? It is a software application that we use it for word processing. Example like processing letters, processing memos, processing newspapers, books, etc. So follow YJ to be able to know how to design these documents in Microsoft Word. So what we will do is, let's try to see how do you open it first. Okay, like I told you in the previous videos, any software you want to explore or open on the computer, what do? Just click on the site tab, and then type the name of the document, like Word here. So what will appear to you here? Just click on it here. Once you click on it, it will open. So these are the templates you are seeing. We are going for the blank document. Blank document here, I just click on it and it opens. So once blank document opens here, the next thing that you will do is you have to type the document like this here I'm showing you. Okay, this document you are seeing, you have to type this document here from the title here down to where it starts. Then you do from 1 to 11. Okay, so let's go and do this thing. I'm just clicking on the new page. I'm just from opening. Then I already copy, okay, the document. Once I do that, the next thing is number 2, okay, is telling me, because let me show you how number 2 looks like here. Number 2 here is telling you that design the title of the document with the following. The font size is 23, font type is Arial Black, and then the font style is bold, then underline. This is what we're supposed to do. Let's go to the work and then do it there. So right now, it's like we are now going to our new page. This is the underline they are talking about. You just have to click and then highlight it like this. Once it's highlighted, just go straight to your home tab here. Once you click on home menu here, home is going to show you other menus under it. Alright, so therefore, you cannot see this thing if you don't click on home. Please take note of that. So we are going to the font here. You just click on the action button there for the font. What do they ask you to type here is Arial. Just type letter A on your keyboard, then scroll it down a little bit. You will see Arial Black that they ask you to select. You just click on it. The font style here that you're supposed to select is bold. So you just click on the bold here. And then the font size they ask you to put there is 23. Then you type 23 here. Okay? After typing that, just come down. You will see the font color here. They didn't ask you to select any font color, but I'm going to advise you to select font color here. Like example, like I'm selecting blue color here. So after selecting the blue color, your kind of like designing will be appearing to you at the preview. So I am going for underline. They asked me to underline. Yes, I click on underline. They said underline color of what? Red. So I'm selecting red color here. So looking at it, it's like my preview is telling me the final outcome of my design. Right now, text effects are here, that in case they ask you to select those things, this is where you select them. But they didn't ask us to select those things at number 2. So we will just press OK here. Now look at our title. It's OK. But yet still it's not done because they want us to give it a background color of yellow. So we have to go back to the home tab here. And then look at it. You can do background color using here, like you can see, which is saying text highlighted color. Or you come to where they call shading. You can do it here too. So right now we are just trying to make sure that go with here and then select the yellow color there. Once you select the yellow color, it's like your exercise number 2 is done, viewers, if you can read it. So right now it's like we get it. If it is like examination, we already have number 1 and 2 already been done. So we are going to number 3. Number 3 is telling you that the word Mandinka, okay, should have the font type called Tahoma and increase the size to 14. Alright, so let's go back there and then look for that word. You just click back again to our new page. You click there. We look for the word called Mandinka is here. This is the word here. Well, Mandinkas are the largest tribe in the Gambia here. Alright, so we have Mandinka here. And what do we have to do with Mandinka? They say you should have a font type called Tahoma. So we need to click here, okay, and then go to where? We need to go to the font. We click on the font. After clicking on the font type they are asking us to select should be Tahoma. So therefore, I'm going to press T. Then Tahoma is here. I will select it. They didn't ask us to select anything here. All right, they only asked us to increase the font size to what? 14, 1-4. So we just have to just click on OK. Right now, it's like Mandinka is designed. It's totally different from others if you look at the word Mandinka. All right, we just go back to the exercise again and then look at which is number 4. It says use superscripts for the word nation. Then we have to go back to our new work here and then look for the word nation. If you look at it here, we will be able to see nation here. All right, guys, I hope you are following me very well, and I hope you can do this thing. It's not difficult. So the word nation is here. Just click first and then try to highlight only that word there called nation. After highlighting that, what do they want you to do with this nation? They want it to be what? Superscript. All right. All right. So I'm going to take you there. You just click on the home again. Go to the font, action button here. You will see superscripts here under what? Under text effects. Okay, I'm going to increase the font size to it a little bit so that you can see how it looks like to 18. And then now I'm pressing this. So look at how nation is designed. Look at how nation is designed. Okay, viewers, let's do this thing together and let's follow it very well so that we can do it. Okay, so that is number 4. All right, they even asked us to increase the size to 17. I increased it to 18. Look at how lucky I am. So we just go to number 5. 5 says the word substantial should have double underline, okay, style. So what do we have to do is we have to go back to our new work. Look at how I'm switching. All right, I click on there and then let me look for the word call, okay, superstantial. So right now it's like we are looking for that word here to make sure that we just select it. It's here. Just click on it and then you highlight only that. You can see how I'm controlling my mouse. Okay, so it says you need to have double underline. So right now I'm just clicking the same thing, home, then you go to action button. If you want, you can do it here. I know high school students, they normally try to, use these shortcuts. But we are not here for the shortcuts. We are going deeply into the application. So you just click on that. And then all what you need to do is, this is where they ask you to do the things. We just select double underline. Let me say I'm going to give it a color of what? Black here. So I'm just pressing OK. So the word substantial is going to have an underline like this. I hope you're following, my people. Let's do it together. Learn how to design documents in Microsoft Word. So the next one we are going to do is we are going to number 6, which says use yellow color as a background color for the word in Peru. So let's go and see that word. All right, so you just have to click, and then we are at the new page where we are working. So what is happening is like the emperor is here. I'm just selecting it like that, highlight it. All right, so what do they ask you to do with it? I hope you remember, guys. Look at it here. We are at number 6. We put yellow background color for it. So we will just try to go back to it. We highlight it already, and then let's click here. What you need to do is just click here. We give it a yellow background color. That's seen in here. We already said it. All right, so we go back to the work. Here we have number 7, which says use font size of 21 for the word extended and apply all caps to it too. So right now we have to go back and then look for the word which is called what? Look at it here, people, my people. I hope you're following very well. That is number 7. It is telling us to make sure that we increase the font size to the word what? Extended. So let's go back and look for the word extended here. All right. So extended, look at it here. It's like we read the document till we see that word called extended. Extended is here. So we just click on extended here. All right. Make sure you control your highlighting because you only need the word extended. You can have this problem sometimes, but you just need to click and highlight like this. Once you highlight it, what do they want you to do with the word extended? Look at it here. All right, which is like number 7. They said we need to increase the fonts to 21 and then apply all caps to it. So let's go there, my people. We click here again, then to the font. Okay, what are we doing with it? They said we increase the size to it to, to 1, and then all caps is here. If you look at here, we have small caps, we have all caps. So we just click on it. Now look at the word extended is designed in that way. My people, let's go again. We'll look for number 8. It says use dash underline for the word Sameke Jani. Okay, Sameke Jani. So Sameke Jani should have the dash underline and increase the font size to 14. Alright, so we go back to work here and then look for that word that is like Sameke Jani was a king in my area called Nyomi in the Gambia here. So you just click on it, and then they said we increase the, watch it out. They said those of you trying to miss out what we are doing, that is number 8. Okay, they are telling us to use dash underline for each and increase the font size to 14. So we are going back to the work here. We highlighted it already. We just go to home, and then always please click here. All right, so we click on underline here. We use the dash underline is here, and then increase the font size to 14. We are increasing it to 14. Then we press what? OK. All right, so if you look at it, this Sameke Jani, the name of our king before, okay, at our region called Nyomi in the Gambia here, is already having dash underline, and then the font size is increased to 14. But let's go to the next one. The next one we are having here, which is going to be 9. 9 says apply art border to the whole document. All right, let's go and see that, my people. We just click on that, and then we go to the document we are working on. Right now, it's like we have to leave the home now. We are going to the next one called design. Okay, now we click on design. Look at the corner here. You will see page borders there. Just click on the page borders. Right now, we are looking for art border here. Just click on it. We have so many art borders here, so many designs here that you can see. Some of them might be even be on some of the certificates you are holding in the house. So I am just checking. Look at them. There are so many designs here, all right, that you can use. Let me say I want to go with this design. I will just click on that and then press OK. Look at our document. How beautiful it is. This document is so nice now. All right, that is the art border we just applied to our document. My people, let's see. Look at how beautiful this is. All right, that's the document we're just from designing in Microsoft Word. So it's like from now on, you can design your own certificates using this video. It's not difficult, really. So let's go back to our practical. Okay, our task to do again, that is going to be number 10. It says insert the following. Let's say we see these symbols. You want to insert them. So one thing you need to know is you need to understand the symbols. Whether this is a symbol, this is a shape. So the one I click on is a shape. So let me show you how do you insert them. My people, let's go. You have to just come because they are graphics. You just click at the end of the document, then you press enter key to create space below. That's what you do. So once you create space below, right now we are using home, we are using design, and currently we are going to insert. So once you come to the insert here, you will see pictures are here, shapes are here. If you look at symbols are here. So let's look at these shapes here. I just click on the shapes here, my people. So once I just click on the shapes here, the shapes I'm looking for is here. I will just click on it and then come to my work, click on it. This shapes is here. It's already inserted. So this shapes here. If I want to make it big, I can just click on that and then drag it. Those are the, you know, the width size buttons that I can try to width size it. All right, so let me see, the other things that the tax is asking us to insert again. These ones you are looking at, they are what? Symbols. So therefore, we need to go back to our work here. Okay, we click underneath here, then we go back to insert. Okay, once we are at insert here, what we need to do is we will just go to the symbols here. And once we add symbols, you can see more symbols here. So just click on more symbols. They are here. Okay, so these symbols we are seeing, we can just, delete them. Once we delete what is there, in case we are not seeing symbols here, like example, you are seeing this and you need symbols like those we're supposed to insert. Just come here and type this word. Please always try to remember this word, W-I-N-G, okay, D-I-N-G-S. Then you press enter. You will see that they will come to you. So right now we are looking for these symbols that are like, we have the aeroplane here. Look at it here, look at it here, look at the aeroplane here. You just click on it and then click on insert. So it's already inserted there. Okay, let me show you how it works. Right now the aeroplane we inserted is here. Okay, look at what they asked you to insert again, a laptop. We need to insert a laptop. So we are going back to insert again. And then I am going straight to symbols. Okay, more symbols. I am looking for laptop is here. I will just click on insert. Then close. Those are the two I need. They are very small, my people. So we need to increase the font size for them. You highlight them like that. After highlighting them, just go straight to where? Home. This time we are not going inside. We will just click here. That is representing font size. So we'll click there and then click on 72 as a size. Look at them, they are big now. So I'm just going to drag my shape here and then so that they can be on the same line. So this is not difficult, viewers. If you put your mind there, it's very, very easy to work with Microsoft Word, really speaking. So I hope you will practice this in your house to be able to know how to use Microsoft Word. Without even going to school, you should be able to do this. Okay, let's go back to the work here. Now we are at the final stage, which is like 11. So number 11 here is telling us that we need to save this file. So the file we just created, we have to save it. We will just go and then click on the file itself, then click on file. You will see saves and save as. This one, if you are saving for the first time, just go with save. If you are trying to rename the file or you are trying to create a new file, you are trying to modify it, go with save as. So right now I'm going with SAVE, my people, and then click on browse here to find a location where I want to put my file at. So I will just click on browse here. Let's say I want to put it on the desktop. I will just click on desktop. And let's say I have a folder here, like you can see a folder called Bangura. I want to save it in that folder. I will just click on that folder and then click on open here. Once I click on open, there is a name that they want you to save the file as. That is where you type the name here. So you remove this file name here, okay, my people, and then type, let's say, my, office, okay, project 1. Look at it here, my office project 1. So right now we have it there. And now after typing the name of the file, this also is very important. Today, if you want to save it as a PDF, you can just select PDF here. That's the file type. But we are using Microsoft Word, so I'm using the Word format there. So I'm just clicking on, boom, save. It's already saved. So viewers, this is the end of the video. Please give the video a like. Please subscribe to support YJ. Please follow me up for better sharing of ideas, better knowledge, better learning. YJ is saying bye-bye. Thank you so much. Love you all, love you all, love you all, my people. Thank you so much. Thank you.